The purpose of this short video is to show you how you can take your Tableau package workbooks and post them to TableauPublic. To get started, you're going to need a TableauPublic account. Google for TableauPublic. On arriving there, you'll notice in the top right-hand corner is a sign-in link. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. You can do so by clicking the Create an Account link. These accounts are free and do not require your employer or educator or university support. So use your personal email address for signing up for TableauPublic, not your work email. These accounts are free and free for life, at least that's what Tableau tells me. Now, to demonstrate how to post our workbooks to TableauPublic, we're going to need a workbook. So I'm going to use the sample workbook that Tableau Desktop comes with. This is the Superstore workbook. Now, this workbook is already ready with dashboards. We can take it and push it to TableauPublic. To do so, you simply go to Server, select TableauPublic from the dropdown, and then say Save to TableauPublic. Now, if I try doing it now, it's going to throw an error at me. Let's see why. Oh, it didn't. There it is. It says the Tableau server you are publishing to does not permit the external database connections. This is because the three datasets underlying this Tableau workbook are all in live connection format. They need to be in extract format. Let's see how to do that. Now, to get to the underlying datasets, I've got to go to sheet mode. These dashboards are hiding sheets. I'm going to unhide the sheets underlying dashboard overview and then examine the datasets. As you can see, the icon for Sample Superstore indicates it's in live connection format. When I click on data source, I can verify it is in fact in live connection format. If you look in the top right-hand corner, the connection right now is live. I'm going to make that extract. I'll go back to the total sales sheet. And now look at the other data sources here. Sales target is also in live connection format. Let me go and make sure I convert that extract also. And then repeat this for the last data source. So if you have multiple data sources, then you'll have to make sure all of them are extract format. I'm hoping now I've covered all the data sets in this Tableau workbook. Assuming that's the case, I'll now attempt to publish this to TableauPublic. So if you have never used TableauPublic before, it will prompt you for your username and password. In my case, I tried doing this a few minutes ago before starting this video. So in my case, it's quite likely it's saved my credentials. It may not then prompt me for my username password. If it prompts you, enter your TableauPublic username and then password. In my case, saying save to TableauPublic took me directly to saving TableauPublic workbook to, saving workbook to TableauPublic. It's working through the process. Depending on the size of your file, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Having done the job now, here I am now in TableauPublic. Let me share my screen with you. Okay. Here we are. We are in TableauPublic. So you see now the workbook has been shared in TableauPublic, and the URL above indicates it's been published. Let's see more about this before we can go on. So let's see click on the settings icon here. And it says here, show vision profile. I have it set at no. Show sheets set to no. If I select this to yes, which I highly encourage you to do, it's going to show us all the sheets as tabs, not just one active sheet. Notice If I go back to setting this to no, it only shows us the active sheet in Tableau Desktop. Okay. The good part about this is now, as you can see, we are showing all the tabs, but we're also showing tabs we don't really want, right? You may only want to show your dashboards and not all the sheets underlying the dashboards. So it may make sense before you publish your dashboard to hide all sheets and only reveal the dashboards. Thus, your user can then go through and examine the different dashboards and not be bothered by looking at the sheets that led to the dashboards. Okay. In the bottom here, under details, you can specify things like the name for your TableauPublic dashboard and other information like notes for yourself. On top is the URL you can share with people. However, I advise you, if you're going to share your URL, you'd rather give them the URL from the share option here. So let's see how we get there. So click on the share icon. Now there's a copy link button here. Click on this copy link button. And now you've got your Tableau Public shareable URL ready to go. I can take this and I can plug this into a different browser now. Let me go to a different browser and show you what it looks like there. So I'm going to use a different browser here and share that with you shortly here. A browser with no cookies, so it's a clean one. Bear with me a moment. All right, so here I go, and I type this URL in here, and now it takes me straight to this workbook. This concludes this short demonstration on how to publish your workbooks to TableauPublic. Thank you and good luck.